Hey guys, well let's do a handful of videos this morning, okay, that just pertain to the mighty Live Good. All right, living good and feeling good. All right, how's it going? You guys doing good? You doing great, or are you like, man, I'm not doing good at all? How about Live Okay? All right, I'll buy liveok.com and we'll just we'll just do baby steps up to living good. And my gosh, in 2025, if you start making some moolah, how about living great? All right, deal? Okay. Anyway, I want to show you what the website looks like if you join Live Good, okay? You got just about everything you need. Okay, if you have, let's just say, a $50 bill, you get 5 cents back. $49.95. You have a website, a capture page, you have customer service, you have products that's, I think they're about $15 million a month right now. Isn't that impressive? And most of our pricing is wholesale based because we're a membership website. So everyone pays their $10 a month. You buy it wholesale, couple bucks obviously for shipping and handling. We ship with the United States Post Office here in America and worldwide DHL International. So there's tracking. So you know where and when your products are going to arrive at your front door so you can put them in your mouth and maybe poop them or pee them out later. Okay? Unless you buy like a Live Good hat or shirt. I have all the hats and all the shirts, but I always wear hats that I get for free. Like even this one, my buddy Art gave me the Woo Car. Wake up, kick ass, and repeat. All right, that was a company he was with a handful of years ago, and I like that. I like the phrase, just wake up, kick some ass. Why don't we repeat? Okay, so why don't we do that? Okay, now if you're watching my videos every day or every week or every hour, I seem to produce quite a bit on my YouTube channel. You know that Live Good has been pretty darn good to me. Okay, I joined about March of 2023. I have about a year and a half underneath my belt, going on 2 years. You know, in a handful of months, I got about 4 months to go. But right now, as I look at my computer, it looks like it's November 2/2 of 24. All right, so it is going to be Thanksgiving real quick. All right, it is just coming upon us. We're going to be thankful here in America and probably eat turkey. Some people have lasagna, tacos. I've had cereal before for Thanksgiving, like Cocoa Pebbles. So just be thankful that we get up and we get to just drink something nice. All right, like my coffee. I put a little vanilla in it, and you can see my coffee, it's almost white. That's because I put more cream than coffee. So when people see my coffee, they go, would you like to put some coffee in your cream, sir? Then I go, like, I haven't heard that before, smartass. But anyway, cheers. I want my MTV. That's right. Can you see my cup? I collect coffee mugs like crazy too. Some of them are really offensive and I forget, but this one isn't too bad. I want my mama. I want my dada. How about I want my bank to be full of cash? All right, that'd be kind of nice too, right? Okay. What do I do to promote Live Good? Because somehow this maniac that I don't know if I take Live Good serious. I do, but I'm not going to freak out and do stories of, I guess, dire and dread and doom and everything else that starts with D. My last name starts with D. Draper. Droopy. I mean, I am starting to droop in many areas, especially when I lean over and tie my shoes. I'm starting to grow man boobs. So that's not my goal. Okay? Man boob Draper. Should that be my nickname? But anyway, you can see on the leaderboard out of 1.6 million people, I'm creeping up here with my good buddy Eric. And let's see who else from the United States in the top 10. Hai Thang Lee, Tommy Vodang. Man, these are like crazy names. My name's boring. I think I want to be like Droopy Draper. That sounds a lot funner, doesn't it? So looks like Live Good, Cory Draper's hanging in there at number 27. All right, so hopefully I can get a couple more people, and I want to get into the 4 to 500 club, okay? And then bam, look at that, our buddy Jeff. He's just doing really well in the United States, and that country right there, if I remember right, that isn't it the Philippines? When it's red with a yeller star in the middle? All right. And you can see there's a lot of them there. But yeah, I'm pretty happy to be number 27 in this company. And what I do is I just invite people to a capture page. Okay. Do you want to see what it looks like first? Okay, let's just show you. If you go to joincory.com, this is the capture page. And you get this. It's built in if you have $49.95. Okay. So what a capture page is and what it does is it will capture, hopefully maybe, someone's first and last name and their email address. Okay? Then if you hit reserve my position, that doesn't mean you've joined LiveGood yet. It just means you're going to get a nice email once a day for 30 days, all provided by LiveGood. So if you're joining this opportunity, isn't it nice to know that LiveGood will, on your behalf, contact people that are interested? They're interested enough, like yourself, to put name and email address in. Now, if you want to join LiveGood, you just simply go to your email and click the button that says join and rock and roll. You can be an affiliate and a member. So the capture page is completely provided. And this website you're looking at, look at all the products we have. Just check out all the white rectangles. You guys will figure it out. Check out the ingredients, wholesale, membership pricing. Look at that. We have packages that people love. Save a lot of money too. Okay. And you can get some shirts and hats, which I own every single one of these. And I seem to forget to wear them during my videos. But check it out. Everything wholesale too, by the way. My favorite thing we sell is this plastic vibrating thing. Most lonely people on my downline, they say this is their favorite product. Okay. And what you do is you stick it in and you turn it on and it vibrates and it mixes and froths. Okay. So if you want a frother, especially tonight, because it's a Friday, you can get it for $4.99. If you want to go ahead and read the description and look at the product reviews. Look, these little things really do the trick. Okay, so Scott H., man, he's a happy camper. Look at that. 5 stars. And, you know, knowing LiveGood, they probably edit all the reviews. Isn't it funny how, look, everyone gives it a 5 star. Oh, look, here's a 4 star. Here's Kelly. It works. I use it for mixing my morning reds, electrolytes, and collagen. Makes it enjoyable. Before, with the spoon, a good mess. Now, no more mess. I also use it for my protein drink. Adds a little fun to my morning prep. Okay? But you know what? I don't know if Kelly's a guy or a girl, but only 4 stars. I love it. Okay, when you go to the LiveGood website, go to the FAQ, because there's a ton of frequently asked questions. Just click the line. You guys know what to do. Just click it and read the answer, okay? Then go to the very bottom. It says pay plan or affiliate pay plan. Read the 7 ways we get paid on the membership side. It's pretty cool. But do what I do. Go to the bottom, say hi to this pretty girl, watch this YouTube video that's produced by the company, and it explains the pay plan really well, because I'm not going to. It takes too long, and besides, you'd be confused anyway. By the time you probably sat down and said, okay, there's 7 ways, and then now what did they, now what's the matrix? You know, half the time I call it a cotex. I don't even know what I'm talking about. So, but this is what I'm good at. I'm good at bringing into the people into this business by just promoting joincory.com. All right, I bought the domain. It was open at GoDaddy. I paid like $8, $9, $10, $11. Then I forwarded it to the LiveGood capture page, which is free. You don't have to have hosting or a website with GoDaddy. I think they're the best because they have 24-hour live operators. So if your name is Mark, maybe join marknow.com, workwithmark.com. Get yourself a domain and then go ahead and do what I do. Just point it to the LiveGood capture page. It seems to work for me. All right, I make money each month, and it puts me on the leaderboard, and I'm going to do this every day, and every waking moment is go ahead and hand out my business card if somebody wants. I don't really chat about LiveGood on a personal face-to-face level, so right now it's Friday. I have things to do. All right, I have a nice little early Thanksgiving dinner with the Hot Rod Association here in Salt Lake City with Rock and Hot Rod Productions, and I want to work on some of my cars and trucks and stuff. But I just get business cards like this, you guys can see. And hey, Cory, what's that on Facebook? Live great, live okay, what are you doing? Here, just check it out, joincory.com. Let me know if you're interested. But right now, just watch the video. It talks about the products, the opportunity. Done. That's it. So after you join, I have an email. I show you everything I do because I have other opportunities that make me some moolah, and it pays substantially more than just Live Good by itself. I believe that you need a little bit more oomph, a little more salt and pepper, maybe some A1 on that steak, and the steak is Live Good. Okay, but I'll just simply show you what I do, explain what I do via an email when you join, and we'll go from there. But I want you to watch the video. Go to Join Cory. Boom, boom, right there. Okay? All right, guys. I'm going to go freshen up my coffee, and I got to go pee. And that's all I do. I just invite people to watch short movies. Okay, guys. Have a good one. And subscribe to my YouTube channel and get a hold of me on Facebook inbox if you need me. Cory@CoryDraper.com. Email me as well if I can answer some questions for you. Okay, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.